it's KelseeBrianaJai, and in today's video I am doing an overview of Sydney Grace's Christmas in July promotion, and I am extremely excited to do this video because they sent me the best PR package. And when I say the best, I mean the best. I was super excited to get it. I always appreciate when they send me things, but this time they absolutely blew me away. I have so many beautiful products from them. In this video, I wanted to play with those products. I did 3 different eye looks. They sent me a lot of stuff, so of course I swatched everything and I will include that for you all. But first, let me give you guys a little bit of background on this sale that they are having, because it is going on right now and it will be over on July 28th. So every day until July 28th, there's going to be a different promotion. Christmas in July has already been going on a few days. I do apologize that I am getting it out a little bit later than anticipated, but I did make up for it and I gave you 3 looks. So for anybody who did get these products and order anything from Sydney Grace, you can use my eye looks as inspiration and recreate the eye looks. On the 25th, it says cream eyeshadows will be $5, blushes will be $5, highlighters will be $7. Next, on the 26th, it says spend $50 on anything in our store and you will get our Mountain Trail bundle for free. You will need to add the bundle to your cart, but the bundle will be free at checkout. On the 27th, you spend $25 and you get $20 worth of free items. Spend $50 and you get $50 worth of free items. Spend $100 and you will get $110 worth of free items. The items are chosen at random from their collection. On the 28th, this is the final day, and this is also a surprise day, so we don't know what it's going to be, but you do have to check back on that day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All sales will begin at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and run through the next morning at 8:59 Pacific Standard Time. So that's 24 full hours to shop each day's deal. So another piece of important information is the shipping information, and it says that they will be holding all orders until the sale is over, meaning they will not ship out anybody's order until after July 28th. And it says that they will begin shipping on the 29th, and they plan to ship as quickly as possible. Also, you have the option to have your order shipped as fast as possible, but in doing that, you forfeit the ability to combine all your orders together. I would only recommend doing that if you plan on placing one order. But let's dive into all this makeup that they sent me. I want to show you all everything. I took pictures of everything. I swatched everything, and like I said, I did 3 different eye looks. So let's go ahead and dive into it. The first thing that I want to show you is the Raspberry Kiss bundle, and this bundle retails for $33. I took a picture of the bundle as well as swatched the bundle, so I will go ahead and insert that. There's also a mystery bag, and here's my bag. This retails for $25, and there are a few different options for the mystery bag. You can pick bright/deep, cool/deep, warm, or warm/deep. So there are different options based on the type of colors that you like, but I'll show you all what's in my mystery bag. So mine has a good amount of stuff in here. It is a mystery bag, so everybody's is going to be different. Mine has a pressed pigment in here called Magic Axe, another pressed pigment called Face Painter, a matte eyeshadow in the color Ferris Wheel, another pressed pigment in the color Juggler, a blush called Bunny Ring, and this thing pigmented. I would actually use this for an eyeshadow as well. 2 loose pigments, one in the color Bora Bora, the other one in the color Groupie, and lastly a loose highlighter in the color Kiss of Honey. So I'm not sure if all of this comes in everybody's bag, but this is what was in mine. Next, I have some loose pigments, and they sent me the following colors: Optimism, Glee, Joyful Day, Comforting Light, and Delightful Spark. And you all will see me do a look using all of these, but for now I will go ahead and insert the swatches of them. First up, I'm going to go in with the color called Relax. I have the Songyuji Blender Pro brush, and I am taking this on top of my eyeshadow primer. I did not set my primer. I'm just going in directly with this color back and forth in my crease. Next, I'm going in with the color Alpha. On a more taper blending brush, this is a Chikuhodo GSN 10 brush. I am taking this color on the outer corner and building it up and then blending it up to the crease. Next, I'm going to take the pigment in the color Comforting Light. I tapped some of this pigment out onto the lid, and going in with the flat shader brush, this is a MAC 242. I am going to press this color on the lid, and then I have a lot of open space here. Make sure to blend it over to make sure that it connects with the outer corner color. Bring it up to where it connects with the crease color. I am going to overlap this color just a little bit. So I'm going on top of this with a dampened brush and a little bit more product just to foil it out. And this is going to make that eyeshadow be more intense and have more of a duochrome effect. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of the color Glee. So I'm going to press this color right here in the center. I went ahead and dampened my brush just because I know that I want this color to be foiled. Next, I'm going to dip back into the eyeshadows and take a color called Recruit. And with the Wayne Goss 27S pencil brush, I am popping this color on my inner corner. Now taking the color Enjoy the Ride, I'm going to take that all across the rest of the lower lash line. And I wiped off the same brush to do this, but all I am doing is making sure that it is connected to the top and then blending it over. So now I'm going to clean up the look at liner and lashes, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. So here's my finished eye look using the loose pigments. They sent me some of their new lip glosses. I have two of them. I have one in the color Elise and the other one is in the color Sarah. So I already have put this bundle into my palette, but this one down here is the Mountain Trail bundle. It's a brand new bundle. On the 26th, if you spend $50, you can get this bundle for free. You just have to add it to checkout. And once you hit that $50 spend minimum, it will deduct the cost for the Mountain Trail bundle from your cart. But this bundle is super pretty. I'll go ahead and insert a picture of it and the swatches for it. So first I'm going to go in with the color Backwoods. With a Sonia G Crease Pro brush, I'm going to take this color back and forth in my crease. And this is going to be our transition color. So I'm taking my time, building up this color, going back and forth. Next, I'm picking up the color Trailhead. Same brush, and I am going to carefully pack this color on the outer corner. Now I'm going to dip into the color Wildfire. With the MAC 242, I am going to press this color on the lid, blend it next to our outer corner color, and then blend it up to the crease. Next, I'm picking up the color Escape. Same brush, and pack this color right next to the other color in the empty space. Leave a little bit of space open on the inner corner, but just take your time and build this color up. And I'm using packing motions. Going into the color Light My World, I'm taking this on the inner corner with my Tom Ford pencil brush very carefully, pressing that color on, and go ahead and wrap it on the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take the color Be the Sunshine. I am going to pop this color right in the middle of the lower lash line. That color is so beautiful and vibrant. Love it. Lastly, I'm going to dip into the color To Earth. Same brush, and let's finish off this look. Blend it to the top and then bring it over. Looking good so far, so let me clean it up and add liner and lashes, and I'll be back to show you all the finished look. So here's my finished look using the Mountain Trail bundle. And lastly, we have what I have been absolutely salivating for, and that is the multi-chrome eyeshadows. I have been waiting on these eyeshadows since the second that they have promoted these on their Instagram, which, by the way, if you're not following them on Instagram, go ahead and do so. But these things are so beautiful and they are multi-chromatic. So I have them on my eyelids right now. There are 3 different colors that are releasing in this launch. They retail for $15 each, and they say that these are priced a little bit more because the pigments that it takes to cause that shift cost more money. So in my opinion, I think it's worth it. The first one is called Beauregard, and this one is described as a multi-chrome that will shift from violet purple to royal purple to a navy blue. I have that one on my lid right now. Next is the color Chameleonaire, and this one is described as a vibrant yellow gold to a hunter green and then to a dark sky blue. And the last one is Twisted Shifter, and this one is the most multi-dimensional of all. This one will shift from a pink to an orange to a green. So I will go ahead ahead and insert the swatches of these. Even though, be warned, swatches do them no justice. Like the description said, put them on your eye, you're going to see the magic. Or even if you swatch them on your finger and kind of go like this, you'll be transfixed at how pretty it is. But I'll go ahead and insert the swatches of that. For this look, I'm starting out with the Autumn's Rain palette. Let's first dip into Nature's Crown. And I'm going to start off with this color in the crease. This is a Sonia G Crease Pro Brush. Next, I'm going in with the color Brilliant Realm from the same palette with a Rephr P10A brush. This is a very compacted packing brush. It almost looks like a pencil brush, but it's bigger. I'm going to take this color on the outer corner and build this color up. Now I'm going to take the color Beauregard. With the Hakuhodo B004G brush, I am going to swipe first and then begin to pat this color on the lid. So just continue to build. So I'm just taking my time building up this beautiful color. And this is what it looks like just dry. It's already really gorgeous. I'm going to blend it next to that color that I placed on the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it up to the crease. As you all can see, this gives a very beautiful color payoff dry, but I do want to further intensify it. So I'm going to take a mist and spray my brush with the product. And go right on top of the color where I originally placed it to further intensify it. Oh, that's so pretty. Next, I'm going to take the color Twisted Shifter. That's so freaking pretty. Right on the inner corner, I'm going to pop this color on and blend it over. I'm going to clean up my under eye with a wipe, and then I'll be back and we can do the lower lash line together. This looks beautiful. So now I'm going to go back in with Twisted Shifter, a little pencil brush, and wrap it around and put it on the lower inner corner. And on the rest of the lower lash line, I'm going to take Chameleonaire. Same brush. Make sure to connect that to the top. And here's my finished look using the multi-chrome eyeshadows. Alright guys, so I have given you all of the information that I know as of right now about the Christmas in July sale. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, huge shout out to Sydney Grace. Thank you so much. But Sydney Grace is truly an amazing company and I love their products. I think that you all will love it too. And I think this is a great time to try out anything from the brand if you have been curious about it. So let me know if you plan on picking up anything. If you have already picked up something, let me know what you bought. So I do have a coupon code for you guys to use. It is KBJ. This is not an affiliate code. I don't make any money off of it, but it is a way for you all to save 15% off of your purchases on their website. So I will have it here as well as down in the description box for you all to use. I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super soon. Smooches. Bye.